Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to learn how to draw Bluey and Bingo hugging. So let's do it. It's going to be simple and for beginners, all right? So let's get started. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to start with the straight line for the side of Bluey's head. And it's going to curve over. Well, not curve over. It's going to be pretty straight for the most part. And then go down, right? He's got kind of a block for a head. And I would say about this level, maybe about here, we're gonna kind of in the center there, we're gonna go pull a nose, or pull for Bluey's nose out. All right, stick around for the whole drawing, by the way. It's, you know, you're gonna have it in your mind by the end of this. Pull down at an angle, and then we're gonna pull back over here for the lower part of Bluey's mouth. We go straight and we're gonna curve up for the smile here, line like so. Pull a line straight down over here for the end of the, where the smile ends of the teeth. Curve up. All right, I'm gonna go over here in this area. Curve for Bluey's kind of like the cheek. And then we're gonna go over here. Well, first thing is we're gonna start on Bingo right here because that's really important. He's gonna be in front. So right here we're gonna draw a straight line for the side of Bingo's head. And by the way, for all this stuff, you just have to be close enough. It's not a big deal. You don't have to be exact. We're just having fun here. Okay, so don't worry about it. It's nothing too major. Curve over here for the top of Bingo's head. Pulling to the side over here, and then curve down. Okay. All right. Let's go over here and find Bingo's ear. So we're gonna draw a line up. It's gonna be pointed, and then it's gonna angle, slide on the side over there. Okay, over here, well, let's honestly put in Bingo's eyebrows. So it's gonna look like a bean shape within that ear, and then over here is another one on this side. Let's draw his other ear behind that. Line out, up, down. Alrighty. Gonna go over here on this side, outward for the nose of Bingo. Stay with me. We're almost, believe it or not, we're kind of near, you know, I wouldn't say almost done, but we're getting there, okay? Down over here, curve underneath, up over here, curve around for the smile, straight down over here for the edge of the teeth, and pulling back. Line across, down over here, pull in. Let's go over here and we're gonna find their eyes first. Okay. Well, let's find their nose because, well, let's find the eyes first. So circle right here for Bingo's eye. Kind of egg-like shape. Over here on this side for his other eye. Line up over here, line over here, downward. Let's go over here on this side. Let's go over here for the egg-like shape on Bluey's eye over here, and then the egg-like shape over here on this other eye. So let's draw the pupil and iris over here, just like a dot. Over here on this side, half a dot because it's hidden. Same thing over here on this side, a dot, and over here, you know, most of it you can see. It's a rounded triangle for the nose. Over here on this side, very similar. Let's go to the eyebrow on Bluey himself. The eyebrows look like little bean shapes, and now we're gonna have his ears on this side, kind of around the center of his head. We're gonna go out and angle, curve over here, go straight down. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you like this. Definitely helps out the channel and helps out the algorithm. So over here, same thing, out across, down, line up, down over here. Okay, So let's get into the hugging part. So we're going to draw a line over here for Bluey's arm. Thumb, finger, finger, finger. And then rest of the arm. Line over here from him, from Bingo. Line over there. For his arm, thumb, finger, finger, finger. Stick around. We're almost done with this. We're nearing it. Line over here. And then we're gonna go. So Bingo's body is kind of the shape of like a cell phone or something, like an iPhone. Down right there for his shape. Then we're gonna have 3 bumps over here for that's Bluey hugging him on that side. We're gonna pull this shape down for the edge of Bluey's nose, face. Putting in the lines right there for the inner ear of Bingo. Let's go over here to this side. Finish that off. Finish the mouth. And let's go over here to the rest of Bluey's body. That's also this kind of like cell phone shape. Over here for 1, 2, 3 for Bingo's hand is hugging him. These two are patterns on Bluey, but let's get to their feet. Line over here, it's just a straight line. Downward, downward. Bingo's legs right here. Line over there. Let's go over here and draw a curve for the bottom of the feet. Line over here. Let's go over here. Now we got to draw the little paws. So curve, 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 curve. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw cute stuff, go check out the free ebook that is in the description. It is 100% free right now, and it's basically your blueprint on how to draw anything cute. So if you have like your pet or something, you want to draw them in a cute style or draw yourself in a cute style, if you're really serious about doing that stuff, this is your blueprint. It is a completely easy downloadable PDF. Go click that in the description. I'm going to put it's going to be the first link. So go take a look at that if you're interested. Line over here. And get it now because I don't know if it's going to be free forever. But just go check that out. If you don't have it, pick it up. Curve for the tail. Line in. And then we're going to go over here for Bluey's tail. Out. Curve, curve, curve. Pulling in. Line over here for the edge of the tail. Line over here for the pattern. Stomach pattern. Well, a line right here for the arm. Right there, there's a color change. Line over here for the color change of the belly area. Same thing for Bluey. There's a color change. And then curve here for the color change on Bluey's mouth. And that he's going to have like a line right there that kind of comes out. And lastly, we're almost done. Color change on the legs. So, and then you can draw a spot here on Bingo, and I think I forget color change in the face. Right there and right there, and on Bluey as well. Line over here, line over here. And there you go. If you need to rewatch that, absolutely do that. But I want you to stick around, okay? Stay right there. We're gonna go, and we're gonna go over another drawing lesson, okay, together. So let's go start another drawing lesson right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's gonna be within the same theme, and you wanna keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.